What is excellent performance, durable, and efficient machine? You can know it from Komatsu 240 LC. Let's show it for you.
In love with you. Hold me like it's the last time. Kiss me for goodbye.
It costs low fuel consumption and higher prayer electronic injection technology. It will save $10,000 1 year. This machine is more sensitive. It is equipped with high-efficient hydraulic system, making the machine more efficient. It is more durability and it takes Cummins engine with strong power and stable performance. More economical, more faster, and more durable. It is Komatsu 240.